Hi, my name is Kat Hine and I'd like to welcome you to Plymouth University's cruise management programmes. If you want a varied career, if you want a career where you can work hard, play hard and get to see the world, then this could be the programme for you. At the minute we've got over 120 ships on order within the industry, so there are actually thousands of vacancies potentially for you to move into, both onboard ships and shoreside supporting operations. What we'd like to do is provide you with the skill set in order to be able to launch your career into this industry. The cruise programme focuses on tourism and hospitality because cruise ships are essentially floating resorts. So as a part of the programme you will work and look at hospitality operations, you'll look at spa and resort management, food and beverage management. You'll also have an insight in tourism and hospitality more generally so as to support your knowledge of the cruise industry. As an industry, tourism and cruise tourism in particular is constantly evolving, and so our programs evolve and change as well as we move through the years. So you'll get insights into current issues within the cruise industry. We'll look at things like contemporary food concerns, we'll look at safety and security in the cruise industry. You'll get an insight into the impacts of tourism and the impact specifically of cruise tourism on destinations. We'll also look at things like the legislation which cruise ships have to adhere to in order to be able to operate in the global environment. Alongside that cruise-specific information and that cruise-specific knowledge, which is supported by a textbook developed by a couple of our academics here, you'll also get a load of business acumen. So you'll look at contemporary business management. You'll be studying things like HR, marketing and finance alongside that cruise-specific information, and then you'll be able to contextualise that knowledge and that into the cruise and the cruise environment. That business knowledge and those business skills that you've developed means that your degree will also be transferable to other industries and other ways of using that knowledge when you go out into the world of work. So you don't necessarily have to work in the cruise industry. A love of travel attracts a lot of our students to cruise, and as a part of the programme you get the opportunity to both study and work abroad. So this year a group of our students went to Florida and they studied in association with Florida International University. They jumped on a cruise ship and did a transatlantic crossing from Florida to Barcelona, and as a part of that they studied on board the ship with world-leading experts in the cruise industry. You also get the opportunity as a part of your degree to undertake a paid work placement, and that means that you can go and work on board a cruise ship for a year as a part of your programme. We've currently got students and graduates about to leave Plymouth to go and work for Princess Cruises, to work for P&O and Cunard, as well as Celebrity Cruises, and we've got alumni and graduates scattered throughout the cruise industry, so there are hundreds of opportunities for you to be able to move into the roles that you really want to as a part of your degree programme. Employability is the heart of everything that we do as a part of our degree programme. So what you'll be doing is you'll be working with local businesses as well as the bigger cruise brands as a part of your programme. We have a partnership agreement with a number of operations locally which form our hotel school. And what that means is you get the opportunity to have people who are currently practicing in the industry delivering and working with you. You'll get work experience opportunities, you'll have guest speakers, you'll do live consultancy projects as a part of your course, and that's all supported by employers and businesses that we know and trust here in order for you to develop the skills that you need to be able to move on and work in the industry, whatever it is that you choose to do. Studying at the University of Plymouth means that you will be supported by a dedicated team of academics. We want to get to know you as an individual. We want to be able to support you and to help you discover exactly what it is that you want to do. We are a small and friendly team and we look forward to getting to know you. If you've got any questions, if you want any more information, then check out our Instagram feed for the day-to-day stuff that we're doing. You can also drop us a line and get in contact or attend one of our open or applicant days, which we hold either in Plymouth itself, on campus, or on board one of the cruise ships locally.